Hello, my name is Jack from Stafford Audi, and today I'm going to be taking around this Audi approved used vehicle. So the vehicle featured today is this approved used Audi S3 Sportback Black edition with the S-tronic gearbox. Now this particular example is also finished in the optional Mythos black metallic paintwork, which has really given this vehicle that menacing appearance. Moving on now to the performance stats, with this being the S3, it does feature a 2-litre turbocharged petrol engine which does produce 310 PS and 400 Nm of torque, taking you from 0 to 62 in an outstanding 4.9 seconds. Moving on now to the exterior key features, we do find these fantastic LED headlights which are perfect for visibility in every weather condition. Down towards the wheels, we find these exceptional 19-inch 5-arm design matte grey diamond turned alloys, part of the Audi Sport range, and these are S3 specific. To the side of the vehicle, we find the rear privacy glass, in which does keep those rear occupants from view. Now moving towards the rear of the S3, we do find those fantastic LED rear lights, and below this an aggressive rear diffuser with those slat inlays, in which do house the 2 exhaust tips either side. Moving into the boot capacity now of the S3 Sportback, we do find up to 325 litres of storage space. It is a large amount for a performance hatch of this size. This can easily accommodate one larger suitcase as well as a few additional bags. Moving into the rear seats now, we do find a full leather interior with the additional white stitching to complement. As well as this, there is a leather centre armrest which is fold down to present 2 useful cup holders, as well as the Isofix points which are neatly located across the back row, where there's more than enough leg space to accommodate 3 in the rear comfortably. Moving into the front now, we find a typical Audi interior with a host of high quality materials such as leather, alcantara and aluminium. With this being the S3 Black Edition model, it does mean you get the full leather seats with the diamond quilted leather in the centre, as well as the S logos on both front seats. Moving above now, we find the virtual cockpit display, in which is featured 2 digital rev counters, and by pressing the view button on the left hand side, you can also change the view of the overall display. To the centre of the dashboard now, we find this fantastic MMI touchscreen display, in which is featured the satellite navigation. You can also access your Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Below this, we find the equally impressive digital dual zone climate control, which is very easily adjustable, and the heated seat functionalities are located either side of this for both front occupants. Moving to that screen above once again now, we find that reversing camera as well as the front and rear parking sensors, which just make this S3 much easier to park, especially in the tighter spaces. So this vehicle does come with a minimum of 12 months warranty and a minimum of 12 months roadside assistance. For more information or to book a test drive, do give us a call now on 01785 899 417.